So what do we have now? If I run open browser, yeah, I have this, and obviously I need this on secured page, I need secured page, and also I need partial secured page. However, from landing page, I should be able to go to register and login, and these should be added somewhere here, preferably here actually, which means that I need to add some items here. So a graph is login.html. Okay, and we should have login link here, and also logout. And this would actually not be this would be just an empty, actually empty link, and I would write this logout. We'll implement that later. How does that look like now? Yeah, I need some times here. Okay, and now, yeah, and this is actually ugly. So this means that we need to actually divide these two parts. First one will be on the left side, second one be on the right side. So we'll use flexbox for this, and two parts. One will be displayed on the left, and one will be displayed on the right. So how would I go around that? Let's make nav flexbox container. So, well, the easiest way to do that would be to actually create CSS file, and let's pretend that I created CSS file, but I will create this. So I will say here flex container, and here with the flex container we'll just go display flex, and also except that we should have actually, yeah, for display flex we need part on the left and the part on the right. So I will actually do one trick. I will justify content and use space between, which means that I will have one part on the left and one part on the right, and these two so let's then use that class with name not flex, it's flex like container, and see how that works. Okay, it's actually almost nice. Let's remove this. And also it would nice to have some more gap between these, maybe it's like something like 10-15 pixels. Let's try it with 15. We will add something like flex gap, and I would say that gap here would be 10 pixels, not 10, I said 15. Okay, then the gap is valid actually for the entire, yeah, it's like 10 gap. No, it doesn't work like that. I would need to use immediate turn. This one as well. Okay, and maybe to have also flex container here, because it needs to be flex container. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now it's obvious that this is maybe okay, but this is too much, and both of them are called login logout. These are okay, and it should be flags gap 15, flags gap 10, Maybe it's an overkill to do it like that, but never mind. We're just sketching this quickly. Yeah, maybe 5, 5, and 5 here. Yeah, here we go.